Summer is the perfect time to escape the daily grind and explore new destinations. From sun-soaked beaches to bustling cities, there's a perfect vacation spot for everyone. Join us as we count down the top 18 destinations to visit this summer. Part 1. The Maldives. Imagine crystal clear waters, pristine white sand beaches, and luxurious overwater bungalows. The Maldives is a tropical paradise perfect for snorkeling, diving, and simply relaxing. With its stunning underwater world and luxurious resorts, the Maldives is a dream destination for many. Part 2. Bali, Indonesia. Bali offers a unique blend of stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and affordable luxury. From the rice terraces of Ubud to the beaches of Kuta, Bali has something for everyone. Experience the warmth of the Balinese people, indulge in delicious cuisine, and explore ancient temples. Part 3. The Greek Islands. The Greek Islands are a timeless classic, offering a perfect combination of history, culture, and stunning landscapes. Explore the whitewashed villages of Santorini, the ancient ruins of Athens, or the party island of Mykonos. With crystal clear waters, delicious food, and friendly locals, the Greek islands are a must-visit destination. Part 4. European cities. 1. Paris, France. The city of love, Paris, is a dream destination for many. Explore the iconic Eiffel Tower, wander through the Louvre Museum, or take a romantic boat ride on the Seine River. Indulge in delicious French cuisine and shop at the elegant boutiques along the Champs-Élysées. Experience the Parisian lifestyle and soak up the city's romantic atmosphere. 2. Rome, Italy. Rome, the Eternal City, is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture. Visit the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Trevi Fountain, iconic landmarks that have stood the test of time. Explore the Vatican City and admire the stunning St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Indulge in authentic Italian cuisine, from pizza and pasta to gelato. 3. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona, a vibrant city with a unique blend of old and new, offers something for everyone. Explore the Gothic Quarter, wander through the colorful streets of El Born, and admire the stunning architecture of Antoni Gaudí. Relax on the beautiful beaches of Barceloneta or take a day trip to the Montserrat Monastery. Experience the lively nightlife and the delicious tapas of Barcelona. 4. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam, a city of canals, bikes, and beautiful architecture, is a perfect destination for a city break. Explore the historic canals, visit the Van Gogh Museum, and admire the beautiful Rijksmuseum. Enjoy the lively atmosphere in the Jordaan district, with its charming shops and cafes. Take a bike ride through the city and experience the Dutch way of life. Part 5. North American destinations. 5. New York City, USA. The city that never sleeps, New York City is a vibrant metropolis with endless possibilities. Visit iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, and Times Square. Explore the diverse neighborhoods of Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Queens. Experience world-class theater, shopping, and dining. 6. Los Angeles, USA. Los Angeles, the city of dreams, is a hub for entertainment, culture, and outdoor adventure. Visit Hollywood, Beverly Hills, and Santa Monica Pier. Explore the stunning beaches of Malibu and the desert landscapes of Joshua Tree National Park. Experience the vibrant nightlife and diverse culinary scene. 7. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff National Park is a stunning natural wonderland, with breathtaking mountain scenery, crystal clear lakes, and abundant wildlife. Hike through the pristine wilderness, go kayaking on Lake Louise, or ski down the slopes of Mount Norquay. Visit the charming town of Banff and enjoy the local shops and restaurants. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Canadian Rockies. Part 6. Asian destinations. 8. Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo, a futuristic city with ancient traditions, offers a unique blend of modern culture and historical sites. Visit the iconic Tokyo Skytree, explore the bustling Shibuya Crossing, and experience the serenity of the Sensoji Temple. Indulge in delicious sushi and ramen, and immerse yourself in the vibrant street culture. 9. Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok, a city of contrasts, is a vibrant and exciting destination. Visit the Grand Palace, Wat Pho, and Wat Arun, stunning temples that showcase Thailand's rich cultural heritage. Explore the bustling markets, indulge in delicious street food, and relax on the beaches of nearby islands. Experience the vibrant nightlife and the friendly Thai hospitality. 10. Phuket, Thailand. Phuket, a tropical paradise, is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. Relax on the stunning beaches of Patong, Kata, and Karen. Explore the ancient temples and historic towns of Phuket. Indulge in delicious Thai cuisine and experience the warm hospitality of the Thai people. Part 7. South American destinations. 11. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro, a vibrant city with stunning beaches and iconic landmarks, is a must-visit destination. Relax on the world-famous Copacabana and Ipanema beaches, and admire the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. Explore the vibrant neighborhoods of Santa Teresa and Lapa, known for their bohemian atmosphere and colorful street art. Experience the lively carnival celebrations and the samba spirit. 12. Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas, is one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. Trek through the Andes Mountains to reach this ancient city, perched high above the Urubamba River Valley. Explore the intricate stone structures and stunning mountain views. Learn about the history and culture of the Inca civilization. 13. Patagonia, Argentina and Chile. Patagonia, a vast and breathtaking region, offers stunning landscapes, from snow-capped mountains to pristine lakes. Hike through Torres del Paine National Park in Chile or explore the glaciers of Perito Moreno in Argentina. Experience the unique wildlife, including penguins, whales, and guanacos. Embark on a boat trip through the majestic fjords and channels of Patagonia. Part 8. African destinations. 14. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town, a vibrant city with stunning natural beauty, offers a unique blend of culture, adventure, and relaxation. Visit Table Mountain, hike through the Cape of Good Hope, and explore the colorful Bo-Kaap neighborhood. Sample delicious South African cuisine, from boba Thai to biltong. Experience the stunning beaches, the lively nightlife, and the warm hospitality of the South African people. 15. Safari in Kenya. Embark on a thrilling safari adventure in Kenya and witness the incredible wildlife of the African savanna. Spot lions, elephants, giraffes, and other majestic animals in their natural habitat. Stay in a luxurious safari lodge and experience the beauty of the African bush. Learn about the conservation efforts to protect these incredible animals and their habitats. 16. Nile River Cruise, Egypt. Cruise along the Nile River and explore the ancient wonders of Egypt. Visit the iconic pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, and the Valley of the Kings. Discover the treasures of ancient Egypt, including hieroglyphics, temples, and tombs. Experience the rich history and culture of this fascinating country. Part 9. Other incredible destinations. 17. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Bora Bora, a tropical paradise in the South Pacific, is renowned for its crystal-clear lagoons, overwater bungalows, and vibrant coral reefs. Snorkel or dive in the pristine waters, relax on the pristine beaches, or simply unwind in your overwater bungalow. Experience the Polynesian culture and indulge in delicious seafood. Bora Bora is the ultimate luxury destination for a romantic getaway. 18. Iceland. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, is a unique and captivating destination. Explore the stunning landscapes, including glaciers, volcanoes, and geothermal hot springs. Visit the Blue Lagoon, a world-famous geothermal spa, and relax in the warm, mineral-rich waters. Chase the northern lights, a breathtaking natural phenomenon that illuminates the night sky. Conclusion. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, there's a perfect summer vacation destination out there for you. From tropical islands to bustling cities, the world is your oyster. So, pack your bags and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.